little baby bump. Sometimes I want to be on my own, but my brother won't